short video is to compare how we used to print the what's on when we were printing it ourselves to how we need to prepare it into a PDF file to pass to PSW to print in the future. First looks as we used to do it. You'll notice this is a straightforward publisher, and we used to print it to a hard printer, a normal printer. Well, now we will be printing it to PrimoPDF, which will prepare a file in the PDF format. Now the first thing I notice when we say go to PrimoPDF is that the numbers get lost in the pages, but I will fix that in a few moments. If we were to print it now, without having changed any of our other settings, it is asking me some questions about PrimoPDF. I suggest we use the print, and we can tell it where to save it every time we create the PDF. Now I'm using the November issue as a test case, so I can just overwrite that. It will ask for me to confirm that, which I will do. And here we are with 24 and the first page, and if we go down it has the page numbers as we normally have, though as I said the page numbers are being lost in here at the moment. Now PSW don't want it quite like that. They just want straightforward views of each individual A5 page. To do that, all we have to do is go back to the page setup, leave it as printer PrimoPDF, go along to the source and change that to an A5, go back to layout, and instead of having booklet we're going to print a full page. We say OK to that. But now I want to fix this page numbering problem. If we go to the view and look at the master page, we have a master page for left and right. Down here we have the footer. If I place my mouse on that, I can drag that footer further down. That's for the left page, and now going to do the same for the right page. Now PSW can print right to the margin of the pages, so we can get quite close. We will now go back and turn off master page, and you will see that we can clearly see those numbers now. And when I print it this time, file, print, again we use PrimoPDF and we print all the pages. Drag this back into the view, keep the settings exactly the same as we did before, so we're going to overwrite that file again just as before. I'll just make that so we can see one page, and now you see we have just individual page in their logical sequence, and all we have to do is send that file to PSW for them to print.